Let's look at problem number 19. It's a factoring problem. Got 8x to the fifth minus 6x to the eighth. First, I'm going to do it the way that I know they're looking for. First method of factoring is always GCF, and I know it's 8 and 6. I think the largest number divides in both of those, and that'd be 2. And then I want to pull out the most x's I can, but I can't factor out 8 x's if the first term only has 5 of them. You always go with the smallest exponent. So I'm going to factor out an x to the fifth. Well, 8 divided by 2 is 4. I had 5 x's. I pulled all 5 away, so there's none left. Minus 6 divided by 2 gives you 3. I had 8 x's. I pulled 5 away, so that leaves me 3 x's. And that'll match 2x to the fifth, 4 minus 3x to the third, a. Now, I don't really like this form here. I always tell my students to, and this won't match the test, this particular practice test, but I always tell them put it in standard form first. So the negative 6x to the eighth goes first, plus 8x to the fifth. And then our first method of factoring would be GCF. Actually, first and only. What am I thinking? Okay, then first term is negative, so we factor out a negative. Time to go to bed, I guess. They're both divisible by 2, and again, I bring out a fifth. So negative 6 divided by negative 2 is a positive 3. I had 8 x's. I pulled 5 away, so it leaves me 3 of them. 8 divided by negative 2 gives us negative 4, and all 5 of those are gone, and that would be your answer. Like I say, I prefer that myself, but I know that sometimes in GCF, if they have a GCF, they just dive right in and factor it out. They don't worry about putting it in the right order.